trying to talk quickly because the bottles are dripping. And so I layered in this one pink and gold, and this one turquoise and gold, and then this one turquoise and pink. So hopefully they'll mix together and give us a rainbow. And then I'm also doing something a little unique today with this one, and that is I'm actually going to spin it before I push it so that it'll give it a little twist. So let's do that. Guys, we are outside with the dried results. I just wanted you guys to see how crazy this coloring looks. It almost looks like a snake skin to me, and I just love the overall look of it. To me, it looks like a pendulum rose, and I think that the spin had everything to do with this new kind of design that it gave this painting. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you